Hello guys, this is Rajewski School. My name is Alex Sarovsky, and today we talk about the psychic energy. And of course, let's start with the fundamentals. What is psychic energy and where does it come from? So, there is space, and our planet, as you know, is in space, and there are roaming powerful energies, and they energize and they magnetize the Earth's atmosphere. This is what our science knows, but also the cosmic rays are actually have more subtle nature than the ones that we can register with our modern technologies. So these subtle cosmic rays, they also magnetize the Earth's atmosphere, and such is prana created in such way. Prana. The main areas where prana condensates is usually in the mountains, on the decent altitudes, and you know, when you walk up into the mountains, not too high to the Everest where you actually choke in the thin air, but to moderate heights, you can breathe, inhale, exhale, you're just there, yes. And another place where prana condensates in the valleys, closer to our life, is exactly the coniferous forest. Well, of course, all forests, not only coniferous, but coniferous is the best because the little needles, they act as filters, filtering air and making the best prana possible, accessible in our valleys. What happens next? We humans, we breathe air, as you probably noticed, and with every atom of oxygen, prana enters our body, enters our lungs. So then we inhale, prana gets into our blood flow and gets attached to the hemoglobin, and then with the blood flow it enters the nerve centers. And now starts a process that can be described better with another metaphor. We love metaphors. Imagine a typewriter or a printer. So the nerve center by itself is like a typewriter. Then the prana that is entering it is like paper and also ink. Prana by itself is just a material, pretty much. And the types of prana can be different depending on the place. There is worse prana, there is better prana. Yeah, the better one is these guys make, these guys. So, they enter this typewriter, and then here's the third component. The third component is the actual meaning that you instill on this paper and ink. And this meaning, or, well, the sentences, the words, is your mental and emotional state. So, three components. Nerve centers, typewriter, prana that enters, like paper and ink, and then your emotional state that actually makes some finished product out of this. We can call this product a book. So, and you see, you can influence the world with the book, what's written in it, because you you took the materials, you had an idea, and you put it in the typewriter or printer on it. Bam! In such way, psychic energy is born. In this metaphor, as you see, psychic energy is exactly a book, a finished material. And as you probably realize, books are different, and there are ones that can save lives and inspire people, and there are the books that can, you know, that can make you commit suicide. So you get the idea, right? That emotional state, mental state, helps us, allows us to produce different types of psychic energy. And there is, you know, good side, come to the light side, and there is the dark side, psychic energy, pretty much. And people, there are carriers of different types of psychic energy. Some people influence others, just becoming the lighthouse of their life, the spring that has just come into your life. Whereas the other people, well, being just in one room with them, without even talking, can make you not just depressive, but you can fall ill because of just standing near them. And you see, psychic energy acts as intermediary. And, well, if you remember the Joseph Goebbels or Hitler speeches, they were just brimming with that negative energy and affecting thousands of people, and they were pretty much infecting people with their, you know, their mindset, with their thinking. And as you see, psychic energy can become a really powerful weapon, but well, there are also good cases when, you know, sermons of Buddha and Christ really gave enlightenments to people. That's also because the act of their, well, enhanced, refined and high kind of very, very elevated psychic energy. These are the fundamentals, and here we are. Thank you.